Hey guys, Drew here from SHTF blog, Survival Cache, and the Survival Cache podcast. Welcome here to my kitchen sink. And why are we here in my kitchen sink? Well, I wanted to take a second and show you this new product from Epic Water Filters. It's called the Answer Urban. And what this is a direct replacement lid for a Nalgene water bottle, which everyone has. I'm sure you have one within 200 feet of you right now. And it's a direct lid replacement, and it allows you to filter water. I just want to show you what was in the box as it comes. This is the box right here. This gray box, made in USA, all the fun stuff all over it. Kind of gives you a little brief background of what it covers. But inside you will find a lid. This is, it's got a flip open lid right there, and then a deployable straw suction mouth part. They call this their safeguard lid. Keeps dust and contaminants off in your drinking area. You'll find another lid, which they call the Easy Sip lid. Doesn't have the dust cover, and it's very similar to the other lid in that regard. They both have ring areas, so you can carry it around, put a lanyard on it, carabiner or something like that to clip it to something else. The filter cartridge, this is the black Urban filter cartridge. It filters out, I think 99.9% of the contaminants you'll find in regular tap water. Lead, chlorine, fluoride, chloramines, pesticides, that sort of thing. It will cover cysts like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it doesn't filter out any bacteria or viruses that you may find in naturally occurring in water. I have it right here. This is the orange-colored outdoor filter, which filters out all the stuff the black filter will cover out. But then it does take out bacteria and cysts, but it does just generate a lot more. You have to generate a lot more suction force to use it because it's got a lot more filtration going on here. And also inside the box, 2 different link straws. And the reason why that's important is because, while this is marketed towards Nalgene, this specific one, the lids will also work for a Hydro Flask bottle. If you're a fan of the Hydro Flask stainless steel bottles, they'll also work for them, and then you have different links so you can get the filter closer to the bottom of the cup there. They're very simple to use. All you need to do is open up whatever filter you desire. It comes with a black Urban one. It does not come with the orange outdoor filter. I have that with me. Filter. Take your straw. I'm not sure if this is the correct length one. Just insert it right in there. Very simple. Just a sturdy push will get that straw inside there. And then choose whatever lid you'd like. I like the safeguard lid here. You just take your Nalgene water bottle. Remove the lid that's there. That one came off pretty easy. Remove any accessories you might have. There you go. That's it. It's ready to use. Very simple, very direct. It's a great idea from Epic Water Filters. And all you do, fill it up here a little bit. You can try it out. Normally my water, I do have city water here, even though I live kind of in a suburban environment. The water is normally kind of metallic and chlorine-y, if that's even a word. And it's safe, but it's generally not very pleasant to drink. So, it's a huge difference. The water's got a lot more clarity. Doesn't have that chlorine taste. None of the metallic residues are really kind of gone from the taste of the water. It was also really easy to draw through. I've used these outdoor filters before, and like I said before, they are kind of difficult to draw through, get a lot of water volume through the straw just because it's got a lot of filtration going on there. This is very easy to use. I'm sure my 5-year-old could use it without any problems, wife, kids, whatever. So it's just a really good on-the-go system. You don't have to sit there and suck on the thing real hard, and you could probably go into a 7-Eleven and fill in from the bathroom there if you needed to, the bathroom tap water faucet, wherever you wanted to go, and just have water on the go instead of buying a water bottle. Bottled water, I should say. Save yourself some money, keep a bottle out of a landfill. So if you're a survivalist or someone who likes to have some preparedness going on, this is a great system. You can use this urban filter to run around wherever you want to go. Use it on a day-to-day basis. And then you can buy some of these. I think these replacement cartridges are $30, and they don't. There's nothing to go bad in them. Unlimited shelf life. Keep them in the bag. You can buy 3, 4, 5 of them. Each one of these filters out about 75 gallons worth of water, which is a pretty decent amount for such a small cartridge. So you can have a few of these kicking around. Then you can use whatever natural water source you have in the area and know that you're not going to get safe. That you're safe. You're not going to get sick. It's a great system here. So there it is. Kind of got it splayed around here, but this is the Epic Water Filters Epic Water Filters Answer Urban. And it's a great system. Go ahead and pick you up 2, 3, 4, 5 of them and know that you're always going to have some clean water. Again, this is Drew from Survival Cache, SHTF blog, and Survival Cache podcast. And thank you for watching.